Hello, in this tutorial I'll teach you how to use Mailchimp in 10 minutes. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Mailchimp account. Okay, so how do you create an account on Mailchimp? Now you can access Mailchimp using any browser of your choice. Right here I chose to use Chrome, and then at the top corner you're going to find the search bar. In the search bar type mailchimp.com. It's going to take you to the official website. All you need to do is to follow through with the on-screen prompts and instructions to create an account. And once you're done creating an account, it's going to take you to this fantastic dashboard, which is customized for you. Now let's get right into this tutorial, how to use Mailchimp for your email campaigns and just whatever you want to do to customize, make your email campaign look so beautiful. I'm going to walk you through the process. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to head over to the audience, head over to the left corner. All right, here you're going to see campaigns, automations, audience, and just a lot. So let's get over to audience. And then if you click on audience, you're going to see an extended menu. Now this says audience dashboard, all contact, sign up forms, tags, and then subscriber preferences. So click on subscriber preferences. All right, so here it opens up this window. Click on settings and it's going to open up the extended menu, and then you have all of this here. Click on audience name and defaults. So right here, scroll all the way down until you find the campaign defaults. Now this is your campaign default name. So once you send a mail, what are they going to see? What's the name that they're going to see there? And this is Amy. So I think I'm just going to leave Amy there because Amy is pretty awesome. And then the default from email, what email are they going to see when they get your mail? This is Mailchimp. I think I'll just like to let that be. All right. So that's it. So once you have created this, your campaign default, here says send the final welcome email. And then when people opt in to your audience, send them an email welcoming them to your audience, and the final welcome email can be edited in Audience Home Designer. So you can go ahead and click on this to send the final welcome email, so that once people open up your email, they're going to see a final welcome email that they're going to get before they go right into the order of the day. So go ahead and click on that, and once you click on that, let's see how we can access the final welcome email to see if you can definitely edit them. So head over to this right corner. Okay, so this is the right corner of your screen. Head over to audience, and other audience, click on sign up forms. So here you're going to see form builder. So go ahead and click on select. So in the sign up form, select this, and you're going to have to open that up, this drop down menu. So you're going to see final welcome email. So click on final welcome email. Okay, and then scroll the way down and see your final welcome email and what it looks like. All right, no thanks. All right, so this is it. So your subscription to our list has been confirmed, and then for your records, there's a copy of the information submitted to us, and then all of this. Okay, so if you want to edit them, you can just go ahead and click on this. All right, so you say your subscription has been confirmed. Click on edit, and I say this is edit your content. So what do you want this content to be like? You can definitely change it, and once you change it, go ahead and click on save and close. And once you click on save and close, that's just going to be it. So scroll up and you can see all of this. So this is from, and this reply to, and this, all of this, all of this, all of this. So you can definitely edit them from here and edit all of them to, suit your needs. So that's all about that, how you can definitely edit your final welcome mail. All right, and then the next thing I would like you to know, or I would like you to learn, is how to create pop-up forms. And how do you do that? First, we're going to head over to create. So click on create, which is at the left corner. And then once you click on create, here you're going to see the sign up form here. So click on sign up form, and now you can see embedded form and then pop-up form. So click on pop-up form, and now select audience email mark, that's fine, begin, and it's going to take you to the web editor. All right, so here we go. So this is how the pop-up form is going to look like. Here's the preview, and here say set an image. So I'm going to click on set image, and I'm going to open up this image, which I think I like. Top right corner, click on insert. And once you click on insert, you're going to see that. So you can actually use any image of your choice, and subscribe to our newsletter. If you want to edit this, edit it. So just click on it and then edit that. But then I'm going to just leave it like that. And then this is subscribe. You can also edit the subscribe button. And then if you want to make changes, screen all the way up. If you want to make changes to the text style, click on that and then make changes to the text style, tweak it if you want. And then I'm just going to dwell on that, and then go ahead and click on layout and then change it to, if you want to change this layout, if you want to use any of this layout. So this is another layout. All right, so any layout that you want to use that is just fine for you, use it. And then I'm going all the way back, and then this is settings. You want to set it, so the position, the size, the modality, overlay opacity. So go ahead and change that. So once you change that, the next thing that you like to do is to connect it. So you need to connect this to the site that you want to publish this on. So click on connect site and then enter your website URL. So where do you want to connect this to? Let's say, for example, I want to connect it to my Etsy store, and then I head over to my Shopify, head over to my online store, and then I click on that. And then I get this code to my store. And I'm just going to click on copy, head over here. So enter your web, so we'll connect website you up. So I'm going to agree. And I'm going to say get started. So this is my code, all right, for this. So I can just go down and click on copy to clipboard. And once I have copied that, I'm going to head over to my store on Shopify and click on online store. And then I'm going to click on themes. So as you can see, the theme is loading up. And then because I click on theme, I'm going to have to go back there. So for my theme, I'm going to click on this three dots menu and click on edit code. And it's going to open me up here. So I'm going to click on theme liquid, and this is theme liquid. So right here under this is head number 3. I'm going to click on enter, and then for another one, and then Control V. So that's already saying that I have entered that. So I can now click on save. So if I go over here and click on my preview store, I can see that that is definitely going to be added. That's my pop-up in my store. So you can go over to your store. I'm not really going to have so much time for that. And then you see that once you stay in your store, you're going to see that that pop-up is going to come into your store. So that's the process for that. And once you do that, so just go ahead and click on check connection. And then say, we're not able to detect your website to publish your pop-up. So, okay. And I'm sure that you're not able to publish this because my website on Shopify is not live. All right. So if you want to make that live, just ensure that it is not password protected. And once it is done, once it is open, then go through that process. You're going to see that it's going to be easier for you to create. And then the last thing that I'd like you to do, or that I'd like to take you through, is to create simple mails. All right. So go ahead and just left corner, click on create. Once you click on create, now you have an email. You can send a regular email, automated email, or landing page. For this automation, you have to subscribe. All right. And then, or just head over to email here and then regular. So you can just set a regular email, or just click on here and say like regular email, just design email. So now you have who you're sending it to. So enter the recipient who you're sending it to. So you can import content, as many contents as possible. All right. And then from who, you're going to have to add this from. So once you import content, that's fine. So, and then from who, add from, if your email address, your name and your email address, add that. And then the subject, you're going to have to add subject of the email. And then the send time, edit send time. All right, schedule a time, or you send it now. Click on schedule time, and then you're gonna have to fill out all of these details. All right, and then the content, you can design your email. Click on this design your email to add template, or like to design it with a specific kind of template. And once you're done with all of this and you've created all of your content and everything you want to do, go ahead and click on send. And once you click on the send button, your email will be sent. So this is pretty much how you can use Mailchimp in 10 minutes. You can go over to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped you search.